Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Robin with another video, and today I'm basically packing for a cruise. I figured why not film? Last year was my first year cruising, so I'm basically a veteran now. And there's just little things that I said, oh, if I knew this, maybe this process would have gone a little bit smoother. And this video is basically things to pack that are the essentials that you probably would not think of to pack for a cruise. So let's get started. All right, so first I have my little pouch here. It's my special documents. Pouch came from the Dollar Tree, and then it contains my passport, a pen. I have drink vouchers from the airline, and then I have my port reservations for activities I'm going to do. All right, next up, when you walk into your cabin, you'll see that there's only one charger, which is a problem for me because I have several different devices that need charging. I know not everyone's like that, but I am. Plus, to add on a roommate, so I have a charger like this that I travel with, and it's used in various countries. So you can plug it into the actual wall, this side, and you can plug your device into it this way, or you can use the multiple USB outlets. So this is great. I'll link everything in the description box below. Love this thing. All right, next is a waterproof phone case, and it's flexible, bendy, completely waterproof. I did drop my phone last year in Belize in the water, and it was in this, and I don't have any damage to my phone. Okay, next, also while you're in port, you might be walking around on your phone a lot, and you might lose your battery, which is scary because you need to make sure you're back on that boat before it leaves, and it will leave you if you're not on it. So this is an external phone charger. Yeah, just to keep you updated, keep you on the right time. Okay. Next, also while you're in port, do bring a day pack. This is mine. It's really small. I just, carry little stuff with me, maybe some cash, a card, maybe my cruise card, little stuff, sunglasses, phone. You can also do a small backpack. It's up to you. Okay. Also, something I realized last year that were me and my roommate, who was my roommate again this year, is that we did not do enough activities on board. And they offer so much fun things to do. They offer you the opportunity to meet other people on the ship, and you also have the opportunity to win lots of things. And they provide you with a newsletter at the start of the cruise as well as every single morning. They slide under your door with all the activities that are going on. So do bring a highlighter, and doing so, you can highlight the things that you want to go see. And if it's highlighted, you're not going to miss it. Okay, next, bring wine, bring champagne. So you are actually allowed a bottle of wine or champagne on the cruise, one bottle per person per cabin, okay? And it can be up to 750 milliliters, okay? And you can also bring in a 12-pack of soda. So that's good. And then something else to know is you can bring this wine to dinner, but they do charge a corkage fee of $15. And be mindful, I'm only talking about Carnival Cruises this whole video. I haven't experienced any other cruise. One way to go around the $15 corkage fee is to ask for your cabin crew member to bring you 2 wine glasses to your room, and you could actually uncork it yourself and just take it to dinner. All right. So you're going to be swimming. Your clothes might get wet. Your clothes might just be dirty. So do have a place for your wet clothes to be, your dirty clothes to be. I just have reusable bags from things I got online. Okay. So this sun, I don't know how to describe it, why it's so different, but look, I'm black and I burned and I shed like a crazy lady, okay? So I had to increase my number on sunscreen. I went from 35 to 50, and I don't know what I was thinking last year. I would think I was doing like a 15. Also, when you're doing your excursions at these ports, make sure you have some good insect repellent. These are some crazy mosquitoes. So yeah, just get some good repellent as well. You don't want to be itching the rest of your cruise. As well as make a little first aid kit. So have your like tissues, your pain medication, your nausea meds, have your medications. I don't know if you get water sick. Just be prepared. Your band-aids, gauze, tape, just in case. You know, little cuts, bruises, scratches. Okay, I'm all about cleanliness from the moment I touched the plane to touch the cabin. I know they do clean the room, but I just have my wet wipes to wipe the surface down. Germs are everywhere. Also, I have this little hand sanitizer, and it can just clip onto the bag, take it wherever you go. Okay, next I have my blender bottle, which is great because they only provide you with these little cups on the cruise, and after one little sip, basically my whole drink is gone. So take these with me. I fill up with that and I'm good for the day. Also, you can use this for whatever you want to mix inside. As far as my clothes, everything was wrinkled last year as soon as I opened my suitcase, which made it difficult because there was not an iron in sight. So a product like this would have been super helpful to know. So you're just spraying this on until it's damp and basically the wrinkles come out. Yes. It's also pretty difficult to wash your clothes because everyone's trying to wash and the washrooms are pretty limited. Okay. And if you're a light sleeper like I am, get these headphones. It is pretty loud on the cruise. Hallways are narrow and the rooms are right there. So it's a lot of people late at night. People can be drunk walking around. And you can just have your regular voice and it echoes. So if you need something like that, definitely get some headphones. And last but not least, Dollar Tree has these cool things, clamps. You can use these for your towels to stay on the chair. You can use them to hang your wet bathing suits in the shower. And then these clamps, whatever you want to hang on, like on the wall, maybe like newsletter. These are very helpful because the walls are magnetic and these clamps on the back have magnets. So very useful. That's about it, guys. Hope you liked my video and hopefully I helped you. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Have fun cruising.